U-Drain is an easy to install, easy to maintain slotted drain system that can be used in a variety of installations. So there are two types of U-Drain. There's the commercial system that you see here in front of you. We also have a residential system. The biggest difference between the two is that the commercial system has a pre-sloped section built into the bottom of it, whereas the residential section is not pre-sloped and designed for shorter applications and residential uses. So the applications for commercial U-Drain include food processing plants, car repair garages, farm shops, stores, anywhere where you're looking for a length of drain in a commercial building. The residential U-Drain are generally used in residential homes where you're looking for drainage in your car garage, or where you're looking for drainage beside a pool, or anywhere where you're getting a low water impact. Both the commercial and residential systems are offered in galvanized as well as stainless steel. Commercial U-Drain is easy to install. Each section comes with a flange that's welded onto it, and each flange has a letter of the alphabet laser cut into it so you can match up the letters of the alphabet for each section. And then it's a matter of 4 bolts to bolt each section to the next section. Sections bolt onto your sump with the use of an adapter plate and 4 bolts. As well, we have easy anchors for the commercial sections that allow your installer to level and permanently place your U-Drain before the pouring of the concrete. Residential is similar in that, again, you just simply bolt it to the sump. Those come in 5-foot sections, and each one of those also has the easy anchors on it for easier installation. U-Drain is extremely customizable. If you have different types of drains that you're looking at, or different lengths of drains that you're looking at, we can, in fact, design a system that will provide coverage for most any system out there. We can go up to 120 feet, maintaining slope all the way back to the sump, and if we're going longer than 120 feet, we can put neutral sections in. We offer a wide variety of options and accessories to be able to customize it to your particular application. So the advantages of the U-Drain system are, number 1, there are no grates. Grates will over time bend and or buckle and are very hard to lift out and put back in, and it's a dirty job to do it. With U-Drain, there's no grates. There's none of that lifting, none of that putting it back in. Also, as opposed to the plastic systems out there, our systems come in 10-foot lengths as opposed to 3 to 5-foot lengths. And because they're 10-foot lengths, they're easier to maintain in a very straight line. As well, they'll show up in pristine condition because they're galvanized steel as opposed to plastic, which can show up chipped or cracked. So the maintenance is very easy on the U-Drain system because it's a slotted system and it sits flush with your floor. It's very easy to walk along here with your paddle. Put your paddle inside the U-Drain, give it a quarter turn, and now just simply walk along your concrete, pushing the debris back into your sump over here. Ease of maintenance, simple installation, sleek design. This makes U-Drain the premier line of drains in the market today.